I just thought I'd try a bit of practice for a sack race.
Oh my God, what are you wearing? It is a Wales condom. It's huge.
This is a Lomo Sissy.
Yeah, this is the Lomo 40 litre motorcycle Sissy dry bar bag, professional grade waterproof, and it's only about 25 quid.
I love Lomo.
They are
really
fantastic.
Stuff. Obviously the stuff is available, but look at this rascal. This is
like Mary Poppins.
I'm born again. Lomo bag. They're all pretty much the same. They have the roll top, they're waterproof. You roll them down. The thing comes out like that. Oh gosh.
Apparently it's engineered for the long haul, they say.
Really?
Yeah. For tourers and cruiser bikes alike.
But that's what it's a tube shaped bag, and you know we could put pillows in it and make it look big and all the rest of it. But
it's huge.
Across, if you look across the back of your bike, Tobes,
yeah,
that's about the size it would be.
That is really quite big, isn't it?
It is. It is. And I've seen people with all sorts of complicated bags, you know, for they go on tour with, and it's all, you know, this strap, all the rest of it. You know, a couple of rock straps over the top of that, it's done, isn't it? But it comes with a carrying handle, which clips.
I would imagine you'd need a carrying handle with that being so large, wouldn't you?
And it would, once you've got it off your bike, it's a duffel bag, isn't it?
Oh, how cool is that? Anybody think you were in the military?
And it has strap down loops on the top.
Yeah.
It's got handles, strap down loops on the side. So it's
quite a versatile bag, isn't it?
It's a really versatile bag. Look, 2 handles there.
That's really cool, isn't it? And it's got welded seams as well, apparently. And it says, when the roll top is secured with 2 or 3 folds, the bag becomes an impenetrable fortress for your gear, capable of withstanding torrential rain at motorway speeds.
You know, I've had Lomo bags, I've kayaked with Lomo bags on, and they are absolutely bomb-proof. You don't get any water in them. In the military, they use these for all sorts of different things, different jobs. But this for a motorcycle, how much kit can you get in there? Well,
you'd get a whole tours kit in there, wouldn't you, really?
You take that much. But some people take a lot of kit, so this would be ideal for them. You know, three rolls down on the top. You know, it's a massive bag.
When they say that it's 40 litres, it's 26 centimetres closed. The diameter is 66 centimetres tall.
So there you go, look at that.
Yeah. Guess what the weight is?
I would say probably about 400 grams, something like that.
760 grams.
Well,
which is hardly anything, considering the stuff you might put in there is quite valuable, some of the stuff. The only thing it doesn't come with is tie-down straps are not included, because they say it's allowing you to choose specific bungees like rock straps and things if you wanted to use them. But it's £22 plus VAT. Now, bearing in mind prices have gone up, so this is at the time of recording, and they sent us this in February or March this year, and we're now in April. So probably gone up a little bit, but it's 22 quid.
I don't think they've gone up at all, to be honest. But look at that. I love the whole simplicity of them. That's 3 rolls down. It's clipped in. There's the strap. You know.
What's it smell like?
Oh, I'm not doing that. I'll give it you weird.
Okay, yeah. Let me smell it.
Oh.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, what's it smell like?
You are very odd. I've just been standing in that.
Chew it!
Really?
It smells it. No, I'm only joking. That's another Alan Partridge reference. But inside, it's like ruggedized, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it smells like some of the stuff that you get around swimming pools. You know, those bags that you get for swimming and stuff.
Chlorine smell.
Yeah. But how cool! Oh, look, you even get this.
Well, that strap is the critical part of the waterproof.
Wow.
So you fold it down like that, and that holds you Holds it tight.
That is really cool.
Yeah.
Well, thank
Love
you,
it.
Lomo, for sending that. They sent one each because we do that much touring and stuff. And they're happy to support us with our ride out, which is on the 11th of July.
2026.
2026 down
Ocean
at
Falmouth.
Ocean Falmouth in BMW. The website will be updated shortly. This might well be one of the things that you can win in our raffle.
I think it will be.
And the raffle is going to a good cause. This time it's going to Last Chance Hotel.
Yeah.
And we're raising some money for them, which is all on the website, and it's all about rehoming dogs, isn't it, that haven't had a great start to life. So, yeah. Thank you for sending those to us, Lomo. We will be wearing those. Using those. But don't forget...
the sack race.
Yeah, but don't forget, 22 quid. If you went into Cotswolds or one of those outdoor places and bought one of their bags, would it be as cheap as 22 quid? I think for a bag that big, you'd be talking a lot more money, and you don't have to use it on the bike, do you?
How much would Krieger charge?
Lots of money. Yeah. So what a great bag. So yeah, links will be in the description. 22 quid plus VAT. We're not a selling channel, but blimey, we only do videos on stuff we like, don't we? And we've always liked Lomo. They are really, really well made, and not one of the bags that they've given us has failed in any way, have they?
No, I've got bags that are years old.
Yeah. Right. What a great bag.